Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Has it really been 20 years since the first videos were uploaded to YouTube? Time flies when you're watching cute puppy or cat videos, and the platform has turned into a whole lot more over the years. Many of us have turned to YouTube to learn how to fix things around the house. Beyond that, there are all of those famous creators. YouTube's Maddy Buxton.
I think the thing with creators today is that they're using YouTube as a launch pad for their businesses and seeing it as the way to build their brands. You look at someone like Mr. Beast, and he's really built a massive business empire through his YouTube channel.
And the platform has branched out into a wide range of entertainment, including podcasting, where you can check us out too. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com, or just click on the link at techstination.com.